helping me, Tamir.
Of course, Gabrielle. It's easiest to start with the straight pieces, like this one.
No, Tamir. We have to put it together by color. That's the easiest. Green first.
Straight pieces first. That's the easiest.
No, all green pieces first.
Hey there, Sugar Plums. How's the puzzle going? Uh-huh. Well, that's a big sigh that I hear. And I see you're sitting far apart, not looking at each other. It looks like you're feeling...
Frustrated.
I see. Well, when I'm feeling frustrated, I take a slow, deep belly breath. Want to do one with me?
Okay.
Sure.
Now, how do you feel?
A little
Yeah,
better.
a little better.
All right, good. Now let's work on figuring out this problem. There are 3 things that I'm going to do here. We did one already. I helped you with those big feelings. Now, I want to hear what happened.
Well, I wanted Tamir to help put together green pieces in my puzzle first.
Tamir?
And I wanted to start with the straight pieces first.
Okay. Gabrielle, can I hear why you wanted to start with the green pieces?
I like putting the parts of a puzzle together by color.
Tamir, why would you like to start with the straight pieces first?
So we can make the border around the puzzle and then fill it in.
Oh.
I just heard you both give great reasons for doing the puzzle the way you each want to do it. Maybe there's a way you could work together?
I know. I can put together the green pieces, and Tamir can do the straight pieces.
Yeah, we can both do our own parts and then, boom, put them together.
I knew you could figure this out.
Yeah, thank you for helping us, Grandma Nell.
And thank you for listening.
Of course.
Hey, Grandma Nell, you said you were going to do 3 things. You helped, you heard.
Yeah, what's the third one?
Oh, this part is my favorite. Does anybody want a hug?
Me.
I do.